Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. As much as I love doing palette reviews, this video will not contain a review on this palette just because I don't want to sound too repetitive and I don't really feel like talking that much. I have been absent on YouTube. Clearly it's been about a couple months. As may or may not know that I recently joined the military, so yeah, that's basically what's been taking up a lot of my time. I just recently moved and everything like that, so I'm just in the process of getting settled and everything. But in that process of me being in training, as far as AIT and everything like that, I have been very active on social media. So if you guys aren't following my Instagram, then you really should. I've created a lot of looks and my style of makeup has changed, I would say, pretty drastically. So yeah, like it says in the title, I am using the Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 palette. I'm so excited for you guys to see this video and how this palette works. I've been doing a lot of like really colorful looks on my Instagram, so it was really nice for me to like still kind of do something somewhat, you know, creative, but still contain those neutral shades. I've definitely stemmed away from neutral shades for a very long time, so this is really exciting for me. And yeah, I just decided to try something new. This look is a recreation. Stacey Marie created something like this and I was really drawn to it, so I just wanted to try it out and just see. I did do one eye off of camera just because this was something I tried for the first time and I didn't know if it was gonna, you know, really go right. So I did have one eye already done. But yeah, you guys, I'm really excited for it, you guys, to see how this palette works. This is what the palette looks like. It's pretty much, in my opinion, the perfect neutral palette. Honestly, you have so many warm shades with also like your pops of color, so you can create some colorful looks as well. But the pops of color is not like too all over the place to where it's kind of like half neutral then half like rainbow palette. This is honestly perfect in my opinion. I love the warm shades so much. Like, this palette just screams warmth. So yeah, if I were to ever, you know, work with neutral shades, then I would definitely prefer to work with shades that are more warm tone than the cool tone shades. So yeah, I really like this palette a lot. And you guys, I'm so excited to be pretty much like announcing this. It's not anything like too major, but from now on, when I'm featuring a palette on my channel that has not been featured on my channel before, I will be containing swatches. Like I said, this is not a like my standard review where I go through the categories and everything like that. This palette is amazing. The shimmers work amazingly. They go on very smooth, very opaque, and so does the mattes as well. So yeah, I don't really want to sound too repetitive. This palette is amazing and I feel like you should definitely get it. The link will be down below in the description box, and like along with the pricing and everything like that. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just going to get right into the tutorial. I will have timestamps below just in case you're here for a specific reason. The video will go straight into the swatches of the palette, and then we're going to be testing it out on the eyes. This is a full makeup tutorial as well, you guys. I wanted to come back and just give, you know, a full-blown video, just basically because I've been absent for so long and everything like that. So yeah, you guys, I'm really excited. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.
Yes, I will make it over like. Bye.